Hello, it's good to have you with us at this hour. I'm Daniel Che, here to bring a live briefing from the South Korean health authorities on the COVID-19 situation in the nation. In just a few moments, we'll cut into the briefing room with simultaneous interpretation in English. Officials will fill us in on the number of new infection cases seen as of midnight. Let's go straight to the scene right now.
First of all, we have Director Im Soo-kyung with the explanation. Let us now begin on our regular briefing on the COVID-19 response here in South Korea. As of November 7th, as of midnight today, we have a total of 72 new local infections. And 17 new imported cases have been reported, and the total caseload now stands at 27,284. 89 more people have been discharged following full recovery, and a total of 1,897 are in quarantine. And there are 53 patients in severe or critical conditions, and we had one additional fatality. I extend my deepest condolences to the deceased. And here are some major updates on our domestic infection. In relation to a securities brokerage firm in Gangseong-gu District, we have additional 9 cases, and a total of 26 have been confirmed to date. And also in relation to a securities brokerage firm in Seoul's Yeongdeung-po-gu District, we also have 5 additional cases, increasing the total to 19. And in relation to Ace Hope Care Center in Seoul's Jongdaemun-gu District, we have 3 additional cases being confirmed. A total of 28 people have been confirmed to date. And in relation to an alumni golf group from the Yongin city of Gyeonggi-do Province, we have 5 additional cases, increasing the total to 64. And in relation to a medical facility in Anyang and Gumpo City, we have 90 cases being confirmed to date. And in relation to an SRC rehab hospital in Gwangju City, Gyeonggi-do Province, 1 additional case has been confirmed. In total, we have 161 cases so far. And in relation to an Haengbokke nursing hospital in Namyangju City, we also have additional cases. A total of 79 people have been confirmed to date. And in relation to a family in Changwon City in Gyeongsangnam-do Province, we have a total of 3 additional cases being confirmed today, and a total of 24 people have been confirmed to date. And as for the announcement of the revamped social distancing measures, which have been announced earlier this month, we will be implementing this as of today. And on average, we have about 65 cases in the metropolitan city and about 14 cases in the Chungcheongnam-do Province, and also 4.4 in the Gyeongsang-do Province as well. And also all of these municipalities are seeing the situation and the on-day increase that fit the level 1 social distancing measures under the revamped scheme. So we will have the level 1 social distancing scheme starting from today as well. However, Cheonan and Asan area have elevated their social distancing to level 1.5. Under level 1, we do allow gatherings. However, for those over the people of 50, we are also mandating all of the people to wear face mask, and also you need to report in advance to the local government as well. And as for the 23 high-risk facilities, we are mandating wearing a face mask as well, and also digitalized entry log and disinfection and ventilation. And also there are additional quarantine measures that need to be abided by at other facilities as well, and depending on the characteristics of the facilities. And if any breaches happen, those will be subject to a fine of over less than 3 million Korean won for the managers, and also users will be also subject to penalties. And we are carrying out massive testings for those in the mental hospitals and nursing hospitals, and they have been expanded from the Seoul metropolitan area, and it will be expanded to nationwide, and we will also carry out this on a regular basis. cases. And as for the results of the 6 municipalities and provinces that have been carried out so far, we have 38 being positive cases at 7 hospitals and facilities so far, and we will be carrying out these testings every 2 or 4 weeks. And during the weekend, we also have some messages for you. We believe that you will have more gatherings and events. However, we ask all of the public to also take note of the possible resurgence of the virus here in Korea and the importance of abiding by quarantine measures. If you have symptoms or other respiratory symptoms, please do not go to these gatherings or events. And if you have to go to confined, crowded, and close contact environment inevitably, please minimize your time of stay and wear your face mask properly and keep 2 meters of social distancing, and also watch your health conditions after returning from the gathering. And during the year-end holiday, we believe that there would be many gatherings and events. Please abide by the quarantine measures as well. And as for the managers who are responsible for taking care of quarantine measures at these places, please check all of the users' temperature and disinfect the area on a regular basis, as well as ventilation. And currently, the social distancing level, and in relation to this, we have seen confirmed cases below 100 on a nation basis. However, we cannot let our guards down as we see sporadic outbreaks. And in November, as of yesterday, we have seen that the number stood at 117 and also 108 for the previous day. And we believe that these are taking into the factors that we have eased social distancing level from October. And also we had some maple leaves viewing gatherings, hikings, and many other social activities which have led to an increase in possible community transmissions. And also it is difficult for the quarantine authorities to put in place quarantine measures by each of the districts. And especially when we have such current sporadic outbreaks, it is very important that individuals need to comply with the basic principle of quarantine measures, including face mask wearing, washing of your hands, and also keeping healthy distance. And we can prevent the further spread of the virus on a regular basis. However, on a daily basis, we have seen a major second outbreak of the global cases of the COVID-19 in many other countries. And in order to fully prepare ourselves for the increased number of imported cases, the quarantine authorities will also carry out an extensive quarantine measures for all of the foreign entrants. And we will also ask and make sure that all of the foreign entrants to Korea need to comply with quarantine measures as well.
네. 지금부터 기자님들 질문에
That's all we have for you at this hour. As always, thank you for watching.
As COVID-19